How to add subtitles to a YouTube video on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable subtitles for your uploaded videos through YouTube Studio. First, open your browser on your Android device and go to YouTube Studio. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the browser and turn on Desktop Site so you can access the full version of the page. From there, log into your account and you'll see your uploaded videos on the dashboard. At this point, find the video you want to add subtitles to and tap the pencil icon to open the editor. In the next step, look for the subtitles option on the left side of the screen and tap on it. Following this, tap on Set Language and select the language your video is in from the list. Once done, confirm your language selection and YouTube will automatically begin generating subtitles for your video. From here, keep in mind that it may take a little while for the subtitles to be fully processed, depending on the length of your video. Finally, once the subtitles are ready, go back to the video details page and you'll see the subtitles option is now enabled and active. And that's it. If this guide helped you add subtitles to your YouTube video on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.